now on social media platform X, where she says her silence isn't her weakness, and she goes on to say your cruelty is louder than my voice. So there's no end to Congress's dog drama that continues at the parliament. Renuka Chaudhary first, in an attempt to bring a dog inside the parliament premise, mocked the parliamentarians, said those who bite sit inside the parliament. And now, after another stunt pulled off by her, she claims that cruelty is louder than her voice, that she is being targeted. Let me go across to Amita, who will take us through this post of Renuka Chaudhary. Over to you.
Right, Swati, as far as now it seems that this is an attempt to cover up as far as her statements that she has been making, derogatory as it may seem, as far as when it comes to the other leaders and the parliamentarians have been calling out. But on her own X timeline, she has retweeted that bhav response that she has been given on that very question. So she now goes on to say that if my silence is the reason you believe I cannot suffer, then remember this, your cruelty speaks louder than my voice ever could. She's quoting somebody. She says save animals, animal rights, and rather she's been sharing videos of her also with a cat and other dogs as well. In a way, talking about grateful for my universe for fur and unconditional love. So Renuka Chaudhary, the MP coming in from the Congress party, has now turned into an animal lover.
All right, Amita, thank you very much for getting us the details. Let me go across to Mohit. But the question was never about whether Renuka Chaudhary loves animals or not. She's made it about that now.
Well, yes, in fact, Swati, and you see, the statement that she made earlier, that when she was speaking about that whole incident, she said that the dog is harmless, he won't bite, and those who bite are sitting inside the parliament. On that particular issue, the objection was being raised by various leaders. Now it was being reported in media that how a privilege motion is being mulled against Renuka Chaudhary, and also how there could be a security breach when you bring a pet inside the parliament premises, because parliament has certain protocols. And when she was asked this particular question, she reacted in such a manner that now the BJP Swati is saying that how the reaction has demeaned the dignity of parliament and also insulted the members of parliament. Now the BJP also says that this has been the theatrics of the Congress party that Prime Minister was speaking about on day one of the parliament, when Prime Minister stated that this is not the place, referring to the parliament, for drama, theatrics, and this is a place for delivery. Now the BJP relates this to that how the Congress party believes in drama and theatrics, and also with this particular reaction coming in of Renuka Chaudhary. And Swati, Renuka Chaudhary is a very senior leader of the Congress party. She has been a member of parliament many a times, and this is something was not expected of her, and perhaps that is why what the BJP says is that this shows the mentality of the Congress party, that how they have demeaned the dignity of the parliament by such a reaction.
Absolutely, but she did not stop at mimicking a dog barking. She has now dragged Hinduism into all of this. Mohit, continue to stay on with us on the broadcast. I'll come back to you. So Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary went a step ahead and drew a bizarre Hinduism analogy. She said BJP talks about Hinduism, but dogs very important in Hinduism, and this is how she brought Hinduism into this entire saga.
क्या जवाब दे इन लोगों को, इनको समझ में आने वाली भाषा में.
राज्यसभा MP of the Congress Party Renuka Chaudhary is joining us. Ma'am, ma'am, privilege motion is going to be.
privilege motion लाने की बात हो रही है. तो बात ही तो हो रही है ना, आए जब देखेंगे. आए जब देखेंगे. Of course I stand by that. I will rescue every dog and animal on the road which needs to be treated. ये फैक्ट है, उसका जवाब भी उनको दीजिए.
आपका जवाब क्या है?
हिंदू धर्म में कुत्ता को बहुत अहम माना जाता है. बड़े हिंदू का डंडोरा पीटते रहते ये लोग. मैं समझा रही हूँ, युधिष्ठिर जब गया ऊपर, वो कुत्ता ही वफादार. खैर, वफादारी ये क्या जाने. चलिए.
So Renuka Chaudhary, when asked about a privilege motion against her, says जब आएगा तब देख लेंगे, and then she brings Hinduism into the entire saga, says dogs are very important in Hinduism. One cannot expect wafadari or loyalty, and she was talking about the Bharatiya Janata Party. So one controversial statement after other, and then in a way Renuka Chaudhary also trying to project that she's being targeted for being an animal lover, which in the first place was never the question or even the debate. It all started when she tried to bring a dog inside the parliament premise. When she was stopped, she said those who bite sit inside the parliament. And now she's justifying her acts by saying, I will continue to rescue every animal. I'm a pet lover. I'm an animal lover. But there's no question over that. That's not even the topic of discussion. Why is Renuka Chaudhary giving such bizarre statements one after the other? This time around, dragging Hinduism into the entire saga. Those are the pictures coming in and the response of Renuka Chaudhary as well. Very interesting the way she has reacted when asked about the privilege motion.
आने की तैयारी कर रही है बीजेपी, क्या कहेंगे आप?
और क्या बोले?
आने की तैयारी कर रही है बीजेपी, क्या कहेंगे आप?
और क्या बोले?
आने की तैयारी कर रही है बीजेपी, क्या कहेंगे आप?
और क्या बोले?
आने की तैयारी कर रही है बीजेपी, क्या कहेंगे आप?
और क्या बोले?
आने की तैयारी कर रही है बीजेपी, क्या कहेंगे आप?
और क्या बोले?
Let's also listen to how the BJP is responding to this reaction coming in from Renuka Chaudhary. BJP says Renuka Chaudhary has crossed all limits and that she is now mocking the privilege notice.
हो सकता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी में जानवरों को ज्यादा अहमियत हो, जनता को कम, पिड्डी को ज्यादा अहमियत हो, पीपल को कम, तो ये भाषा बोली जाती होगी। पर संवैधानिक और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पार्लियामेंट्री प्रक्रिया के विषय में इस प्रकार की प्रतिक्रिया देना ये दिखाता है कि कैसे ये संविधान विरोधी भी है, सेना विरोधी भी है। और जब उनसे हिंदू के ऊपर की गई टिप्पणी रेवांत रेड्डी की उस पर पूछा गया तो उन्होंने कहा कि हिंदू धर्म के लिए कुत्ते बहुत अहमियत रखते हैं। मतलब कि उन्होंने सनातन का भी अपमान किया। ये सोचा समझा उद्योग है। राहुल गांधी ने ये बयानों को डिफेंड किया है। तो ये दिखाता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी डी से केवल ड्रामा चाहती है, डिलीवरी नहीं चाहती। ये धरना चाहती है, डी से डिस्कशन पार्लियामेंट में नहीं चाहती। ये सी से कॉन्फ्रंटेशन चाहती है, सी से कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं चाहती। और ये केवल अपने परिवार हित को ऊपर रखती है, संविधान और राष्ट्र हित को नहीं।
Moving on, the Congress has repeatedly targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his humble origins, and every time they do it, the taunt has almost always backfired for them.